Hi everybody, your Assembly Member Michael Blake inviting you to our annual job fair that we're doing next Wednesday, May 9th, 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. at the SUNY Bronx Educational Opportunity Center, 1666 Bathgate Avenue between 172nd and 173rd. This is in partnership with Councilmember Vanessa Gibson, Assemblymember Marcos Crespo, Senator Gustavo Rivera, Bronx Borough President Ruben Diaz Jr., so many different allies. And all these partners are coming together to help you get jobs, get connected to skills, and make sure we continue building a better Bronx. So join us next Wednesday, May 9th, 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. at 1666 Bathgate Avenue at the SUNY Bronx EOC so we can make sure we can help you get connected to jobs. We are always talking about building a better Bronx, economic development, education, equity. We can do that with you at the next week's job fair. For more information, call us 718-538-3829, 718-538-3829. We'll see you next Wednesday, 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. at our job fair.